Let me walk you through my configuration of the ASUS Ascent GX10. This is the setup I used on my GX10 to run a local LLM and an agent. For my setup of the GX10, I use a number of services to help me get things done. One of the first things I have here is Tailscale. This is a program that I use to wire together all of my devices. It makes it so that networking is extremely easy and I can reach my device in a breeze. Next up, I have Docker, and this is probably the most ubiquitous thing here. It is going to be the engine that drives all of the services I run on my box. And it's configured to utilize CUDA, which is basically a special set of instructions down to the GPU that our NVIDIA device can use. Portainer agent is something that runs in Docker and basically allows me to manage all of my Docker resources from one place. Docker Model Runner is a Docker feature that lets you download, install, and run LLM models directly from Docker Hub and utilizing various LLM runners, including Llama CPP and VLLM. The open LLM model that I've chosen to put onto this device is the Qwen 3.6 35 billion parameter mixture of experts model. I've chosen this because I want to be able to utilize this device for a lot of agentic activities. I think this is a good one to cover my bases as far as all of the things I'll need to be able to do. It's also relatively light on resources. As far as the AI agent that I've set up on this device, I've installed the Hermes agent. I have that running in a Docker container so that it is completely sandboxed and can only access what I want it to access. It's a relatively mature project, but it's still gaining new features and has a lot of support behind it, so it was easy to set up. As far as interacting with my LLM model and my agent, I've set up both Open WebUI and Microsoft Teams, both as channels through which I can prompt my tools. So there you go. Those are all of the tools that I have set up on my ASUS Ascent GX10. It was all pretty straightforward to set up, and so far, it's a really capable machine and everything is running pretty smoothly. For more content like this, go to arcanalytics.co. You can also find us on LinkedIn. See you in the next one.